Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann. And if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, and makeup unboxings. A lot of makeup unboxings. So we are going to be doing another makeup unboxing today. We're going to be unboxing the April Allure Beauty Box. It's finally here. Now, this is $21 a month. I forget how many. I think you get around 6 products. In here, you are guaranteed 2 to 3 full-size products, and the rest being deluxe size samples. I liked it better when it was $15 a month. Ever since they took the price increase, I'm not going to lie, I've always been iffy about it. I keep thinking about canceling it, then I forget about canceling it. Because I was thinking, if I'm going to spend $21, I think I would buy something that I'm guaranteed 4 or 5, guaranteed 5 full-size products is the way I would see it. We got our little magazine. There's a lot to unpack. 7 steps to brightening eyes. Okay, so we did get 6 products, and this right here looks like a sample size to me. This is Herbo Cosmetics Mighty Patch Duo. Okay, so these are visible shows. It's working, protects for fast healing, drug-free, and non-drying. These are 6 original for night, 6 invisible for day. These are your blemish heroes. Now, well, it's like taped really good. Okay, finally got it. So, identify the blemish works best on whiteheads. Clean the blemish and apply Mighty Patch. Remove after it turns white. Minimum 6 hours. Okay, so it shows you, well, right here. Focus, come on, baby, focus. Okay, I do not like working with this equipment. You see, original, and then it starts turning, and it is completely white. If you can see, it will not focus. Come on. There we go. Focus. Okay. I've had stuff like this before. Honestly, I've never used them. You cannot. Come on. And we got 6 packs. Now, let me ask a question to myself here. So 6 of these are nighttime. 6 of these are invisible. So here is 1 pack. And here is the other. Neither one of them looks like they'd be invisible to me, but who knows. I may or may not try these. My son does get acne. I may give these to him. I got 2 blackheads. I got them covered up right here and right here. Driving me crazy. Crazy. I hate it. I'm the worst person in the world. I take my hands and touch my face, especially this side of my face. Not this side. This side's good. This side I touch with my hands. I'm always getting blackheads on this side. Okay, face moisturizer. Okay, this is by Norda. Day and night, 1 full ounce with hyaluronic acid and chloride oatmeal. And it is 1 full ounce. You can use it day and night. It is not tested on animals. Good for 12 months. Recyclable. Okay. And here it is. It's got a smell to it. Like, I know that smell. I've got a lotion that smells like this. Like a face lotion. I don't know what it is. It's kind of got like maybe, like, kind of like a minty, but not minty. It feels like really, really good. It's really smooth. So, like, skincare, I'm kind of like iffy about when you get deluxe size samples because it does take so long to say if it's going to work or not. So, I really don't like getting deluxe size samples of skincare. This is the Akara Skincare. This is the Restore Eye Serum. So this is going to be a full-size product. We're getting 0.3 ounces in here, which is 10 milliliters. Oh my god, I cannot open nothing. Okay, really cute bottle. I've got some Akara products, and I absolutely love them. I've never had any problems. Okay, this is the kind that... And it is like... more like an oil or a serum. It's got like an oil color. It's very yellow. I don't like the smell. It stinks. When you first smell it, it's got the most horrifying smell. It is listening, but I do not like it. It's better now. It's got like an oily texture to it. You can see my hand's really shiny now. But it is supposed to restore your eyes. I don't know. I didn't like the smell. So we got an eyeliner or something by Cargo. Probably an eyeliner. I like the looks of it. And... swimmables. You can swim in this. It's an eye pencil, so you're going to go swimming and your eyeliner is going to look good. It's like a bronze. I think we will do it here. I got that like, that is like pretty in it. It's got like a shimmer to it. I do like that. And so that would be another full-size product. Avita Botanical Repair. Good for 24 months. Recyclable. Intense strengthening mask. Light. 0.85 flow ounces. 25 milliliters. No safety seal. I do not like that. One of my boxy, like my Illuminati lip gloss was not sealed. The seal was already broke. So I'm kind of funny about stuff like that. I like safety seals and I don't like anything broke. It does got a smell to it, like a flowery floor scent. And it is like soaping up on me for some reason. So, this is light hair mask. It is hair mask. I really need all I can get. I'm trying not to wash my hair as much. I did wash it every day. It is growing out. I cannot believe I got veins. I hate it. I cannot wait until I can get my hair grown back out even. Will take a while. I do understand that. So we got Chella. And this is their La Vie Naturelle eyeshadow palette. This is travel size, format Voyage. You got 4.4 grams, and that's 0.15 flow ounces. So, you got 4 colors: Feminine, Vitality, Instincts, Dramatic. It is cute. But do I have these? I have these. Yes. I have the full size. Somewhere. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to save this. No. I know it's right here. It is right here somewhere. This might be it. It looks like the same color. Yes. Found it. So, I will swatch this. When I seen them shade names, I was like, yes. Here is the full-size version. It does come with a mirror. And here are the same shades as this. So I'm going to put this back and save it back for one of you guys. So I will swatch these so you guys can see. We're going to put these right here. That white does a little bit better. These are like perfect full colors. They do such a good job. I don't know why I don't reach for them that often. And these just snap right out. They're magnetic. So you can rearrange them, which I probably did. So that is what they look like. I'm going to save these back. This back for one of you guys. I have some more stuff. I have all kinds of stuff. I love doing giveaways and give back to my viewers because I really appreciate everybody that watches. But then there's another thing is sometimes giveaways are really aggravating, not because of like anybody that's really subscribed to you. It's like people that only joins for giveaways, and then once they don't win, they unsubscribe. It hurts your like numbers. So I don't, that bothers me about giveaways. That's why I haven't done one in a while. I mean, I have, like, you guys would not believe the stuff I actually have to do a giveaway. This one is an upcoming one. I have a full-size Illuminati palette, the Isabel Bedoya palette. Never been opened. I got this for you guys, and I've just not done it. I mean, I got all kinds, I'm like, I got a drawer full of stuff to do a giveaway with. Probably like 2 or 3 giveaways, really, because I have so much. It's just I ain't done one, because, you know, I do giveaways, and people subscribe just for the giveaways, and then they unsubscribe. But I am going to be doing one very, very soon, so look out for that. Okay, so, all in all, I mean, let me see. Here it is. Here, so I just do my box with my stuff in it. The Acura, which was full size, that stinks, but maybe it works really good. The smell was going to wait. It is retailed for $85. Okay, the face moisturizer, which I do not believe is full size. Full size will be, it's $49. The Cella palette, the full-size version is $45. The Botanic Repair by Aveda is $44. The Cargo Swimmables are retailed for $18. the Mighty Patch. You could have got the Mighty Patch, or you could have got the M61's Powerful Skincare, the Power Glow Peel. Now, I have them too. You could have got either one. You get a 12-pack, which we got like half of a pack, I guess. They're retailed. You get $6.99 for 12 of them. Then, if you got the Power Glow Peel, it is $30 for 10 treatments. And that is it. The box is alright. It's like not my favorite box. It was alright. You got the little eyeshadow travel size. I mean, I don't see, like, you know, this is what I'm saying. $21 for this. You got, like, only thing I can see is, besides these are like the only 2 full-size products, you get Ipsy, you get a full size in the deluxe, in the regular bag. So, you know, right there, you know, that don't really do it for me. That's like 2 full-size products. You're guaranteed 2 to 3, and I get this is 2, but a liner, come on. I just don't find that Allure is really pulling it, bringing it. If you're going to do it right. Because when we pay for this, you know, we want our money's worth. So, I'm not really happy with this box. I mean, I will use it, but I'm just not happy with it. Because I think if I spend $21, you know, I should get full-size products. But, it is what it is. I'm going to try to remember to cancel it and try to pick something else. If you guys have any ideas on something else to try, just leave it down in the comments below. But I guess that is it. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.